I'm just going to try to make this as fast as possible. All I'm doing here is just the front brakes on this Jeep. My rotors are warped and it's shaking a lot, so gotta do that. I'm just going to undo these lugs and jack the car up and pull the wheel off and just do one side at a time. And I'm only going to show you one side unless something happens. Unless something happens on this side where I have to show you something else. Now, we had purchased brakes for my girlfriend's Jeep, but I have to sell that, and I'm going to use the brakes because they're free. So I have a custom lug here. I have tuner lugs just because of my aftermarket wheels. So we have a different tool to use on them. That's good enough. Nice. That was the easiest thing ever. Like, I thought I would have had to break the bolt. Wait, this is just the pin. Shouldn't I put that back?
No.
Why is it still stuck on here? Oh, because there's a
clip in there.
Yeah. I need to do it again. That would have been great. So there's supposed to be supposed to be something here that's flat so that I can compress the piston here, but I don't. It must have fallen off, so I'm just going to use this piece of wood and just do it like that because there's room for it, and it'll work. And basically what this is doing is it's just putting tension on the back of the caliper here, and it's going to push this wood into the piston and force the piston back in so I have room for my new pads. I would recommend using like a piece of metal because the wood could break. It actually went into the wood, dude. It said, say hello to YouTube. Alright, that's alright. You're already your voice is in the video, so.
Alright, well, what's up, YouTube?
There you go. YouTube says what's up as well. They say what's up back. My 7 fans. This will just stop once the piston is compressed, right? Okay, so then the wheel goes back on, and that's basically it. Putting on the wheel was longer than doing the brakes.